Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So first of all, you have to select your preferred language. I'll stay with English, and then you have to tap Start. Next you have to select your region, tap Next. Next you have to agree with the user agreement here, and tap Next. Next you have to agree with privacy terms, tap Next. Next you have to agree with e-warranty card privacy terms here. Then if you want, you can agree to the user experience improvement plan, but if you don't want, you can just skip this step. Next you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Next you can set up your time. Next you can set up Google services. If you don't want them, you can just disable them. If you don't really matter, just leave them. But anyway, you will have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy here. Then you can set up your lock screen method. You can set fingerprint, face, and the screen lock. You can set yourself PIN, pattern, or password, but you can just skip this step for now and do it later in settings. Then you can select if you want to download updates for your device manually, or you just want to install them automatically. And that's it. Device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.